Could Amazon be the company to finally knock OpenAI and Google out of their top spots in the AI race? Amazon is mostly known for its online shopping and fast package deliveries, not for going head-to-head with the big names in artificial intelligence. But if you've been following the latest news, it's starting to seem more possible. Amazon has just launched its new Nova AI models, and they mean business. With impressive claims about their performance, pricing, and advanced features, they're setting themselves up as real competitors. Today, we're going to dive into this and see if Amazon actually has a chance to overtake OpenAI and Google, or if this is just another flashy tech story that won't lead to much. Before we jump into the details, let's talk about why this matters. AI isn't just some futuristic tech anymore. It's here, it's everywhere, and it's growing fast. It's not just about chatbots or writing tools either. AI is being used in healthcare to analyze medical scans, in education to personalize learning experiences, in retail to recommend products, and in almost every other industry you can think of. Companies are pouring billions of dollars into making AI faster, smarter, and more efficient because whoever leads in this space doesn't just get to brag about it. They control the future. So far, OpenAI and Google have been at the top of the game. OpenAI, with its GPT models, basically set the standard for what AI could do in terms of understanding and generating language. And Google? They've got their Gemini models, backed by years of research from DeepMind, a team that's been behind some of the most groundbreaking AI developments in history. These companies have led the charge, but Amazon is throwing its hat into the ring in a big way. Amazon's announcement was all about their new AI models, which they're calling Nova. And no, this isn't just one new model, it's a whole family of them, each designed to handle specific tasks. First up is Nova Micro, which is a text-focused model. It's not flashy or trying to do anything crazy, but that's the point. It's designed to be practical, simple, quick, and cheap to use. This is the kind of model small businesses might use for things like automating customer service or summarizing large chunks of information. Not every company needs the most advanced AI on the market. Sometimes they just need something that works and doesn't cost a fortune. That's where Nova Micro comes in, and it's clearly aimed at a wide audience. Then there are Nova Lite, Nova Pro, and Nova Premier. These models are what's called multimodal, which basically means they can work with text, images, and video. Why is that important? Think about how much content is out there that isn't just words. Social media posts, product photos, videos. It's all mixed. A multimodal model can take all of that and make sense of it. Maybe you're a company that wants to analyze customer feedback, including what people are saying in reviews, the photos they upload, or even the videos they post online. These models can handle all of that. The difference between Lite Pro and Premier is mainly in how advanced their capabilities are. Nova Lite is the entry-level option, while Pro and Premier are built for more demanding tasks, like reasoning through complex problems or providing really detailed insights. But then we get to the creative side of things, and this is where it gets exciting. Nova Canvas is Amazon's answer to image generation. If you've ever used tools like DALL-E or Stable Diffusion, this is the same kind of idea. You give it a prompt, and it generates high-quality images based on what you've asked for, whether it's for advertising, graphic design, or even just brainstorming ideas. Tools like this save tons of time. Then there's Nova Reel. This one takes things up a notch by generating videos. Video creation is still a pretty new area in AI, and it's known to be really difficult to get right. But Amazon claims that Nova Reel can make videos that look like they were made in a studio, which could change everything for fields like marketing, filmmaking, or online learning. Just think about how incredible it would be to make high-quality videos much faster than if you had to film and edit them yourself. If Nova Reel really delivers on its promises, it might lead to brand new ways of making content. Now let's talk about why these models are getting so much attention. Amazon isn't just saying, hey, we've got these new tools. They're claiming these tools outperform some of the biggest players in the industry. And they're backing their claims with real data, specifically their benchmark test results. If you're not familiar,
Benchmarks are basically tests that measure how well an AI model can perform certain tasks. These tasks might include things like answering questions accurately, generating text that makes sense, or creating an image based on a description. Amazon claims their models outperform competitors in most of these areas. For example, Nova Micro reportedly matched or outperformed models like Google's Gemini and Meta's Llama in text-based tasks. Amazon Lite performed equal or better on 17 out of 19 benchmarks, compared to OpenAI's GPT-4o Mini, and equal or better on 17 out of 21 benchmarks, compared to Google's Gemini 1.5.
What makes this even more interesting is how Amazon is integrating these models into its broader platform, Amazon Bedrock.
If you haven't heard of it, Bedrock is essentially Amazon's one-stop shop for AI tools. It's where businesses can access not just Amazon's models, but also a whole range of third-party models. This is important because it gives users flexibility. You're not locked into using only Amazon's tools. You can mix and match to find what works best for you. Amazon is also introducing features to make these tools even more practical. For example, there's something called prompt caching, which reduces the cost of using AI by reusing results from previous queries. It can cut costs by up to 90% and also speeds things up, which is a big deal if you're running a business that relies on quick responses. Then, there's intelligent prompt routing, which automatically chooses the best model for a given task, balancing cost and performance. These are the kinds of details that show Amazon isn't just thinking about making powerful AI. They're thinking about making AI that's actually usable. Of course, we can't ignore the competition. OpenAI and Google aren't going anywhere, and they've got their own strengths. OpenAI has the GPT series, which has already proven its capabilities in everything from creative writing to coding assistance. Google, meanwhile, has the resources of DeepMind, which has been at the forefront of AI research for years. Both companies are continuing to push boundaries, and they're not going to make it easy for Amazon to catch up. But Amazon has something neither OpenAI nor Google can match: its massive infrastructure. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is already a cornerstone of the internet. It powers everything from streaming services to government databases. By integrating Nova into AWS, Amazon is creating an ecosystem where businesses can easily add AI capabilities to the systems they're already using. It's a smart move and one that could give them a massive edge. Looking ahead, the next year is going to be incredibly important. Amazon has already hinted at what's coming next, including a second generation of Nova models. These could include features like speech-to-speech AI and even more advanced multimodal capabilities. If they can deliver on these promises, they'll only strengthen their position. So, could Amazon really overtake OpenAI and Google? It's hard to say for sure, but they've definitely made their intentions clear. With Nova, they're not just dipping their toes into AI, they're diving in head first. They've got the performance, the pricing, and the infrastructure to back it all up. What do you think? Will Amazon come out on top in the AI race? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.